What if you throw a ball up in the air, but instead of coming back down, it flied off into the sky, getting faster and faster as it went, and never stopped? That's exactly how astronomers felt 20 years ago, except instead of a ball, they found that the entire universe was racing apart faster and faster. So why would the universe do that? Our best explanation is that there is something invisible all around you, and even though you've never seen it, it makes up 68% of the universe. My name is Saada, and through this video, I would like to talk to you about the mysterious dark energy. Now, we've known since 1929 that the universe was expanding. As you see in this demonstration, when light travels from one galaxy to another through an expanding space, the photons represented with balls here become more and more separated from each other, so short wavelengths get longer. We say that this light is redshifted. So this is how the astronomer Edwin Hubble, you'll recognize that name, noticed that the light from other galaxies was redshifted, which means that those galaxies were flying away from us. But it wasn't until 1998 that two teams of astronomers observing distant supernova, which is the explosion of a dying star, discovered that the expansion of the universe wasn't slowing down as they were expecting. It was actually speeding up. Now, this is really mind-blowing given everything we know about the Big Bang and our old friend gravity. As you have no doubt heard, the Big Bang theory suggests that the universe came from a single dense point, and that crazy amount of energy generated by the Big Bang caused everything, space, time, matter, everything to come into being and radiate out from that point. And for about 3.5 billion years after the Big Bang, things went along about as you would expect. The expansion of the universe gradually slowed as gravity tried to pull all the matter in the universe back together. But then something weird happened. Another force began to overpower the pull of gravity between all of the matter and made the expansion of the universe accelerate. That's what we call dark energy. It turns out that Einstein once postulated this repulsive form of gravity in his equations. In keeping with his thinking, it proposes that empty space is not nothing. It has properties like anything else. One property of empty space is that it can grow. More of it can be made. Another property is that it can possess its own energy, and if dark energy is property of space, as more space comes into existence, more dark energy would appear. One other theory suggests that dark energy fills space with virtual particles that only briefly exist before they annihilate each other. So maybe the energy of these particles is what's causing the universe to expand. All we know is that the bigger the universe gets, the faster it flies apart. And one day, the distance between our Milky Way and the neighboring galaxies will be expanding faster than the speed of light. The light can't beat that expansion, and it will never reach us. The galaxy, over time, disappears. I think we better study our universe while we can. We only have a few more trillion years left to figure this out. Thanks for watching.